Hi guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best liquid drainers for plaster walls. Watch until the end to know which liquid drainer we recommend according to our list. Our list begins with the following: Drano Max Gel Clog Remover. Drano Max Gel Clog Remover is an affordable and the fastest drain cleaner that helps you eliminate tough clogs. It works best in removing tough clogs caused by soap scum, grease, and hair, among other soft matter. Drano works in 15 minutes to eliminate stubborn clogs in bathroom and kitchen sinks. You could also use Drano in shower drains. However, you cannot use Drano to clear clogs in the toilet. Also, it can stay in drains overnight. It has an ingredient that protects your pipes from any form of corrosion while using it. Also, it's essential to note that Drano uses a causation process during cleaning. Earthworm Drain Cleaner. If you're looking for a septic-safe drain clean, then Earthworm Drain Cleaner is the best because it's septic-safe. It's also the best for kitchen sinks because it smells like citrus and nature-like. It works best if you let it stay overnight on your clogged sink. It uses an enzymatic process to eliminate clogs in your kitchen sink. It's precisely why it's named Earthworm, and it eats up the clogs like earthworms. Earthworm takes a little bit longer to clean and get rid of the clogs. It takes a whole night for kitchen sinks, while it takes 2 days to help clean clogged bathroom sinks completely. Even though Earthworm takes longer to clean clogs, you'll still appreciate the product because it cleans and prevents future clogs. You might want to ensure that you will not use your sink overnight before pouring Earthworms into your sink. Rockwell Invade Bio Drain Gel. Rockwell Invade Bio Drain Gel is another drain clean that serves two purposes: cleaning your clogged sinks and removing the odor from clogs. It leaves a great orange-like smell after cleaning scum and residue stuck in sinks. It's also safe for all types of pipes and septic tanks. However, you cannot use a biodrainer in sump pits. Biodrainer is applied directly to the drains. It's a green cleaner that works more efficiently than chemical cleaners in areas with organic matter and chronic moisture. Biodrainer has natural microbes and citrus oil that clean drains and leaves a fresh smell. The natural microbes work by digesting the organic debris, or the clogs in the drains. Its formula is thick enough to stick at the corners of the drains and ensure that the scum in the drains is completely digested, and it eliminates the odor. Also, the biodrainer has multiple uses. It can be used with power and hose end sprayers. Liquid Plumber Hair Eliminator Gel. Liquid Plumber Hair Eliminator has got your back if you've got stubborn clogs in the bathroom caused by hair. Liquid Plumber guarantees effective cleaning of clogged drains, bathroom sinks, bathtubs, kitchen sinks, and the shower. However, you cannot use a Liquid Plumber in the toilet and garbage disposal. It also works as fast as Drano. It takes Liquid Plumber approximately 15 minutes to work on the clogs in the drains. All you need to do is pour the gel into the drain and wait for 15 minutes as it catches up with the clogs. Then you can flush the clogs away and rinse. Liquid Plumber is septic safe, and it's safe for all pipes. It is safe to use on PVC, plastic, copper, and old pipes. CLR Clear Pipes and Drain. CLR is best for toilets and garbage disposals. CLR uses 100% natural bacteria to get rid of clogs. The bacteria dissolve clogs caused by oil, toothpaste, hair products, shaving gel, and kitchen waste. CLR is safe for all pipes and septic because it doesn't have any phosphate. One thing about CLR is that it requires consistency for the best results. To get the best outcome, use 2 ounces of CLR directly on the drain consecutively for 5 days. If the clog is too stubborn, continue using it consecutively. You can use CLR in your garbage disposals, grease traps, kitchen sinks, bathroom sinks, toilets, and showers. You can only use CLR when there's minimal water usage. Therefore, you should use it at night. Which one is the best drain cleaner? Drano Max Gel Clog Remover is the best drain cleaner because it does its job faster. Only 15 minutes and your sink is good to go. It eliminates clogs caused by all types of dirt in a safe process called the causative process. I hope you've learned which drain cleaner will work best for you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Kindly let us know which video you would like to see next from us.